Hi students, MCQ number 3. In a Young's double slit experiment, the slit separation is doubled. To maintain the same fringe spacing on the screen to slit distance capital D must be changed to what value? Very direct question in competitive exams, many times repeated question. So first case 1, in the first case, what is the fringe spacing is given by beta is equal to lambda into capital D divided by small d. So here capital D is what distance? Screen to slit, okay? From the double slit to the screen distance. And what is small d? That is the slit separation, the separation distance between the two slits. Now which is doubled here, the slit separation is doubled, okay? And to maintain the same fringe spacing. So in case 2, beta is equal to lambda into capital D dash. So this D dash has to be changed. Already small d is doubled. So this is 2d. This is the case. We have to find the D dash. Okay. So left hand sides are equal. So I am going to equate the right hand sides. So now lambda into D dash divided by 2d is equal to lambda into capital D divided by small d. So now this d and d get cancelled, lambda and lambda get cancelled, therefore d dash is equal to 2 times d. So which is the correct option is A. Therefore option A is the correct answer. It's a very easy and very simple numerical problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.